Om, Omkar, Pranav, the sound of the universe in a sense. It's an integral part of what we do in yoga and in some of the spiritual practices that are observed especially in India and in the East. So when we do the Om, if we breathe in a certain way and then coordinate the sound of the Om with the breath, slowly over time we will be able to feel the reverberations inside. So it's like the whole body is vibrating with the sound of the Omkar. It's a very nice feeling. It takes time, but what you do is take a full breath in, slow breath in, fill up along the front, let the breath come in. If you can channel the in breath up the spine, that is also okay. Once the full breath is in, so we do the Omkar and feel the vibrations. As we do breath work that cleanses the nadis, opens the sushumna, this vibration, this reverberation increases. So it's important that we continue doing our breath work and learning how to coordinate the breath with the sound of the Omkar. So wish you good luck with this. Continue practicing. Start it, do it at the beginning of any practice that you do. End it with this. It also helps you to sleep very well. So if you can do 21 times the Omkar before you go to bed, if you get this vibration, you will sleep very well. Thank you. All the best. Namaste.